3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys.
All the best. That if I can, so you people can. And till date, I'm maintained this goal. I think I wrote it like 1 lakh per month. So basically 12 lakhs. And Microsoft came with a CTC of 51 lakhs.
This simple learning system helps you understand Python, data science, and AI faster, even if you're starting from zero. It's affordable, beginner friendly, and designed for real career growth. And yes, it's an investment less than $5 a month. Hi, my name is Jayant Rasamsetti. I am an IIT Madras alumni and Columbia University graduate. I created this after seeing so many capable professionals struggle. Career growth slowing down, skills becoming outdated, confusion where to begin, and honestly, it wasn't their fault. Traditional technology learning is often very confusing. Then AI agents changed everything. Suddenly, learning became interactive. AI explains concepts instantly, helps you code, guides projects, answers doubts anytime. It's like having a personal mentor and tutor 24/7. And most tools and agents are free. That's when I realized learning AI shouldn't be expensive or confusing. So we built the Python Data Science Generative AI Bootcamp. Simple, live, practical, and affordable. Designed for beginners, non-technical professionals, career switchers, anyone curious about AI. Instead of different courses, YouTube videos, and confusion, you get a clear roadmap, hands-on projects, AI-powered learning support, community guidance, step-by-step, no overwhelm. Right now, we have an early bird offer, so you can invest as little as $5 a month. You'll also receive session replays, AI prompts, toolkits, beginner-friendly resources, community support. Click the link below, register now, start learning Python, data science, and AI using AI agents the smart way, not the hard way. I'll see you inside. Zoom can only accommodate 500 people. So, meet my team and me live. Do not regret this later, and honestly, you might surprise yourself.